Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. I'm going to make some division short videos on every techniques, but I'm not going to explain any basic rules here. If you want to learn basic rules, you have to watch one of the episode. Please check my description box or playlist. You can get the video. Basic rules explained videos are in 4 different languages: Nepali, English, Hindi, and Japanese. Please check that. Okay. Let's start. Our first question is 62 divided by 2. How to do on the abacus? Okay. Here I have to tell you, please do not comment on my English language because I am not perfect enough. So let's start. So I am not going to explain any basic rules. So in this question, this is a marked rod, and in this question you have to place your dividend on the abacus from this rod 6 and 2. Why this rod? Please check my basic rules explained episode. Okay, 6 and 2 we placed our dividend on the abacus. So let's start. 6 divided by 2, you got 3. So place your answer here. 3 2s are 6. You have to remove that 6 from the dividend and go to another digit. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Place your answer here. 2 1 is 2, and reduce that number from the dividend. We finished our dividend and our answer is 31 31. Okay, and this is our marked rod, and if you take place properly and if you place your answer properly, your answer always finished on this marked rod. Doesn't matter how long division you are doing. Okay, so first you have to watch my basic rule explained episode for that. Okay, so let's go to another number. Let me explain one more things. To do division on the abacus, you should know all the subtraction techniques, how to subtract on the abacus. Okay, and 1 to 9 multiplication table, that is enough to do division on the abacus. If you don't know how to subtract a number from the or on the abacus, and you can't do division. Okay, multiplication equal to addition, division is equal to subtraction. So if you want to learn multiplication or division, you should know addition and subtraction techniques. So if you are new on the abacus, please don't watch this episode. You don't understand what I am doing here. Okay, if you want to learn, you have to start from the basic level of the abacus. You should start from the addition and subtraction, and in my video you can get every episodes for beginner level. Okay, with techniques or without techniques, how to do addition and subtraction on the abacus for 4 to all ages students. Okay, so please check my channel. Let's go to another number. Another number is 33 divided by 3. So your position is 1. This is my 1 position rod. 3 and 3. I placed my dividend on the abacus. Okay, let's start. 3 divided by 3, you got 1. So place your answer here. 3 1 is 3. Reduce that number. Change your rod. And another 3. 3 divided by 3, your answer is 1. 3 1 is 3. Okay, and we finished, and our answer is 1 1. This is my marked rod. Our question or our answer is finished on the marked rod. Okay, 1 1 11 is your answer. Please do comment, and if you like the video, like, share and subscribe, and come to my channel to learn abacus in very detail. Okay, lots of videos on YouTube you can get, or you can watch what is different on my videos or what is different on my channel is you can learn abacus in 4 different languages with silent abacus tutorials and recent Japanese techniques, one by one, steps by steps, rules by rules, techniques by techniques. Please check my channel, and see you in next episode. Ta-ta.